it is not only a leader in this field, but in terms of, I hope we see Goa being a leader in other fields as well. So my best wishes to everyone present here, and my congratulations to IOCL and the petrol pump.
We have Srimati Manisha Ashish Sankwalkar from Marcel Pratham Petro Services. Please come on the stage, ma'am. Can I have a loud applause, ladies and gentlemen? Clap should go on and on. Disha's AVCC fuel station. Congratulations. Can I have a louder applause, ladies and gentlemen? Congratulations and thank you so much for your presence, ma'am. Next is Miss Smriti Malik from Korlim, Malik Petroleum. Okay. Next is Mrs. Shashikala Nayak from Vasco, Lakshmi Petroleum. I should get the loudest clap till now. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Ashoka Petroleum, KSK. Mrs. Maria Narona. Congratulations. Thank you so much for your presence, ma'am. Hassan Petroleum. Congratulations and thank you so much for your presence. Her bike. Thank you so much. Please come on the stage. We are happy and honored to have you at our petroleum for your services. Thank you so much. Please come on the stage. They just visited our petroleum and we called them on the stage for felicitating them. Wishing you a very happy Women's Day. The COVID-19 pandemic. I request our chief guest to felicitate and motivate them to continue their dedicated services towards our customers. I would like to call upon our lady customer attendants one by one. Can I have you on the stage, Malava? As she walks on the stage, I want a louder applause from you, ladies and gentlemen. Next is Vincentina de Costa. Can I please have you on the stage? Please keep encouraging them with your claps. Next is Neha. Can I have you on the stage? Neha. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Next is Jayashri Lamani. Can I please have you on the stage? Jayashri Lamani. Thank you. Rekha Pawar. Simran Sayed. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. I know we all are hungry, but we can still clap. Thank you, Sim. Can I have you on stage, Chandrava? Congratulations. Next is Vishnovi. 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 Thank you. Next is Vilasini Gaude. Vilasini Gaude. Last but not the least, Suman Pal. Suman Pal. She's Suman Pal. Congratulations. Once again, a very happy Women's Day to all the customer attendants. Friend too. Happy Women's Day. Thank you for visiting Lakshmi Petroleum. Keep visiting. And we have one more customer, Nirmala Naik. Please come on the stage, Nirmala Naik. They are our on-the-spot customers. Lieutenant Colonel from Marketing Division of Indian Oil. Can I have you on the stage, ma'am? Congratulations. Our token of love, small memento. Can I have a loudest clap of this session, please? Come on, it should go on and on. Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
हैंगआउट भी चांदेबल लेकिन उसका सिस्टम ऐसा है कि
Each year's scheme was run by Indian Oil during the Diwali week, in which we planned it by planting a sapling.
I wish all the viewers a happy Women's Day 2021, and I congratulate IOCL for this noble initiative, not just for Goa but for the entire state of country, and I hope this initiative grows more and more in Goa and we see many number of petrol pumps by the end of next year when we meet for another Women's Day in 2021. Thank you.
How important it is now, women are coming forward. What have you got to say on this?
So this is, yes, definitely this is a change, and the times have changed, the education levels are improving, they are getting opportunities. This is all thanks to the society also around and support of the family also. So I think this is a collective responsibility of the society as a whole. So as to, I think every year we should have some improvement over the next year. I think that should be our ultimate goal.
Yeah, I'm Leena, Lieutenant Leena Orpe. I got felicitated today here. I'm feeling very proud. Okay, and at this occasion I would like to thank my organization that I have got the opportunity to be the part of Territorial Army.
Okay. Thank you. Nowadays, women are coming forward. What do you have to say? What are women are coming up, doing all the jobs?
Yes, it's majorly because of the education we are getting, and I urge all the women that they should they should take the initiative and they should not feel awkward for taking the initiative and going forward.
How do you feel on the Women's Day?
I feel very excited to be a woman.
Nowadays, women come forward to do any job. What have you got to say?
Yeah, it's a very good thing that women come forward and work. And we have to all try for other generations also to try them to come forward.
Yeah, my name is Maria Norana. I'm from Tuyat Pernet. My petrol pump is in, and name is Ashoka Petroleum. And today I'm so happy, and thanks for honoring us on the Women's Day especially. And really, Women's Day today we felt that we are like one family coming together. And thank you so much for giving such a great respect for us. That really to operate a petrol pump is very difficult, not this thing. But anyhow, as you say, strong and fearless. So we are like tigresses, strong and fearless. And manpower is needed definitely, because there are a lot of ups and downs while running the petrol pump. But last and not the least to say is we are like woman. Without a woman, man is incomplete. So we give them support. They support us, and all the best.
What is your experience having run the petrol pump? There are different type of customers.
Different types of customers. People come from, especially it is on our border, this thing. So Pandem means Maharashtra people come, many of them we have MH. So they come and they like to stay there because they, especially we have experienced that once you have clean washrooms and nice greenery to relax, they come and stay there. Then they take shower. And so we also have much more plans. We have started recently, just 3-4 months back, but it is running in full swing. And my big thanks to Sir Rahul and full IOC this thing. Siddharth sir, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, and in future we have lot of plans. Looking at what is the present this thing, slow it is becoming. We are boosting business and. Many tourists who go, like what they do, they tell us when we go, like other customers come, they say they told us that you'll stop on this petrol pump because it is relaxing, nice and nice. So based on that, like in future we are planning to do much more better. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Afna Sheikh. I am daughter of Azara Sheikh. She is the dealer of Hassan Petroleum, which is in South Goa. I feel really honored that the Indian Oil has been really encouraging us. Today is Women's Day. I congratulate every woman to be strong, powerful, and really thank you Indian Oil for giving us a pleasurable time.
Okay, what have you got to say? The women are coming forward now.
Okay. Women are coming forward. I feel like today's day and time, women should take a step forward, work with men together hand in hand, and lead the whole world. Because women are, if men are physically strong, women are mentally and emotionally strong, I feel. So my mom and my dad really inspire me. They together handle the petrol pump really well. We serve really quality products with all the cleanliness, and we get a really good ratings on Google as well. So I feel like both men and women together can make a business successful.
हांव शशिकला नायक शशिकांत नायक आयचो वनडे म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें सगळी फॅमिली एक जाली आमी इंडियन ऑयलाची आनी हे सगळे सर साब आसा तितून म्हाका खूब खोशी भोगली. सगळे येयले, सगळ्यांची खोशी जाली. सगळ्यांचो सत्कार केलो. मॅडम येयली तिचो सत्कार केलो आनी खूब आमी आतां हे सगळे सेल करपाक वाडोवपाक ट्राय करतली आनी आमी खूब वयर व्हरतली सेल करून आनी आमचो अशें पंप आमी सगळे बरें करपाचे अशें म्हाजी इच्छा आसा. आनी सगळ्यांनी एकूच पंप आमचो आसा लक्ष्मी पेट्रोल पंप. तेचेर सगळीं चेडवां बायलां स्टाफ आसा तो असोच बरे भाशेन रावपाचो आनी अशें खूब वयर काडपाचो अशें म्हाजें हय सगळ्यांक म्हणजे थँक्यू.